Hi everybody, it's Lene. I have sort of a unique opportunity for those of you who are interested in kits for making this project from our 11/17 video, the Retro Christmas Junk Journal. And you guys, we have 25 kits that we're going to be selling tomorrow, Friday the 21st, on our YouTube homepage under our posts. So you would go to Lene Creates homepage and go scroll down just below the logo and you'll see the word posts if you click on that. And then at 6 p.m. Pacific time, we are going to open these kits up for sale. And I do have a little video demonstrating what's in those kits. And all of the items that you see here, with the exception of scissors, glue, the green ink pad and applicator tool that I used, and maybe the paper trimmer. Everything else is, all the papers, all the ephemera, all the die cuts, all of these things are included in the kit. I spent a lot of time cutting and sourcing and curating all of the items because we just don't know if this is something you're interested in. So we only did a limited edition of 25 kits, $40. That $40 gets you all the items in the kit and the shipping is included, all right? And it's a priority flat rate envelope, so it will just get to your home within a few days. How it works is we are asking you just comment sold, and then the first 25 people, we will reply sold, you won number 1, sold, you won number 2, until we reach 25, and then we will just be removing the post, okay? So if you get a reply from us, then you know that you've got one, and then you just email us at lenecreates and at gmail.com and give us, your name, your mailing address, and your YouTube username, and then we will send you a secure link for payment. We've done this before with our live sales. This is not a live sale. There's nobody that's going to be, there's no video involved. It's just like, a lot of people just call them flat lay sales, where you just like have, this is what it is, and then people just buy them. So we're just gonna try it and see. And then when you get your kit, you'll just follow along with the video from 11/17 on Lene Creates and put together the entire thing. All right, so it's just an experiment. I hope it works. I hope you guys like the idea. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I'll answer any questions that you have in the comments below. And then here's just a little preview of what's in the kit. And stay tuned tomorrow, which is Friday, for more information. And don't forget, it's at 6 p.m. Pacific time. Okay, we live in Oregon. And the sale is just going to go up, and hopefully it'll just go really quickly to sell those 25 kits. All right, thanks you guys. So you will need your phone or your computer to participate in this sale. If you're on your phone or your computer, you go to Lene Creates homepage on my YouTube channel. All right, you should see this big header right here, Lene Creates, and then you go to posts right here where my cursor is, posts, and you click on that, and then you're going to see the sale image pop up. All right, this is where we used to call it community page. This is where I drop notes about things, and you guys can see those. We also post like where our winners are for our weekly giveaways here. So that's where you click on that. I'm not going to click on it right now because there's nothing there about the sale. So definitely check that out. Have your phone and or computer when you are ready to watch the sale. Let's take a look at what you're going to be getting in your kit. All right, lots of ribbon, pom-pom trim, 3 sizes of rickrack. Okay, just some little index cards, just even a little piece of brown craft paper so you don't have to run around and find that at your house. Some little scraps of this candy cane stripe. These fun little, they're just cutouts, but they just are metallic with some embossing on them. Library card. A cute little retro sticker, a couple of envelopes. Here's a little miniature paper bag and a tag that can fit in here, and the little library card does too. A very sparkly note card. Here we've got another one of those little selection of cutout tags. some vellum little hang tags that are so cute, a gingham napkin, a little just die cut clock. I'll have you know I die cut all of these pieces by hand. A little retro, a retro vintage recipe. And then this one, excuse me, these will be different in all the kits. And because I got a collection of cards, but they're all really adorable. Okay, I guarantee you're gonna like what you get. Every single one of them was beautiful and retro, but it's a little greeting card. You just fold it like this. And then a little cutout page from a really sweet little book. And I think there's 3 different books that I used to do these little cut aparts for the book pages, and they're all adorable. And then we've got some book pages I tore out, a large doily. Of course, the base of your junk journal is a white paper bag, a large craft envelope. This is from the back of an atlas. It has all kinds of little numbers and things on it. 2 sheets of ledger paper. Actually, no, just 1 sheet of ledger paper and 1 sheet of graph paper. And then I cut down all of these 12 by 12 pieces of paper so that they would be easy for you guys to just fold to make your pages, or then to trim to cover the backs of your pages, because they are single-sided. Yeah, you're getting, I think, the equivalent of 6 sheets of 12 by 12 patterned paper, and then also a sheet of just die cut little punch outs in this little retro theme. All right, you guys, watch for more information to pop up tomorrow. I'll be giving you reminders that we are going to be having this sale. Remember, 6 p.m. That's Pacific time. We live in Oregon, and there's only 25 of these kits. So you're gonna have to drop what you're doing, all right? I hope this goes well. Let me know what you think, you guys. Bye-bye.